Get into the 2023 Mazda CX-30. Here's an upscale SUV that's just the right size, the Mazda CX-30. This crossover offers more room than a subcompact and prioritizes design excellence, starting with its comfortable, quiet cabin and infotainment system. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, premium sound system. Crossover convenience meets refined sophistication in this remarkable CX-30. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.